Hey guys, Adrienne here from About Murals. So I just finished redecorating this bedroom using this map wallpaper, and I thought I would talk about the design and how I actually got the wallpaper mural up on the wall. And then I thought I would take you for a close-up view so you can see all of the beautiful texture and detail that's in the mural. And then I'm going to quickly go over some paint colors that match up really nicely with this wallpaper. So I do sell a lot of map wallpapers on my website, but the thing I love about this particular design is how clean and simple the pattern is. So you're not going to find any country labels, no words, mountain ranges, equator lines. There's no people or animals painted or illustrated into the design. So if you're looking for a really neutral, streamlined map wallpaper, this is the design for you. It only took me a couple hours to get it up on the wall, and I personally think my wallpaper is the easiest to install. Each wallpaper panel is only about 18 inches wide, so they're really manageable. And because my wallpaper is pre-pasted, which basically means the glue is already on the back of the wallpaper, once you get a panel up on the wall, it slides around for a couple minutes. So as you add a second panel next to it, it's really easy to slide the patterns into place at the seams. So it makes it really simple for anybody to hang. So if this is a project that you're looking to tackle yourself, I do have an installation video on my website, and it'll walk you through step by step how to hang any of my wallpaper murals. Now, don't be fooled. Just because this design is really simple and clean doesn't mean it's lacking in detail and texture. So let me take you for a close-up view so you can see all of that beautiful texture and detail within this mural. All right, so you can see all of the countries are outlined in black ink, and it looks like they've all been colored in almost like a pencil crayon effect in a darker gray. And it's all done on watercolor paper. So you can see all of the pits and grooves and the fiber of the watercolor paper. It creates so much texture on your walls. It adds so much dimension to your room. All right, let's talk paint color now. So I painted this bedroom in Benjamin Moore's AF705, which is called Cinder, and it's a really dark gray. It's really dramatic looking, and I really love it. However, if you're looking for a lighter gray, I recommend Benjamin Moore's Stonington gray, which is HC170. You can see it up against the mural. And if you're looking to create more of a light, airy feeling and you want to do white on the walls, I recommend Chantilly lace, which is 2121-70. Now, if you're adding this wallpaper mural to a kid's room and you want to add some color to the walls, because this matte mural is so neutral and gray, it pretty much matches any color. So you can even see my overalls are a bright pink and it looks really great. But let me grab my other color swatch. And again, this is Benjamin Moore. You can see all of their bright, vibrant colors and even pastel colors up against the gray. Any of it looks good, so you're pretty safe choosing any color if you're adding this wallpaper mural to a kid's room and you want to add color to the wall. All right, so if you want to see all of the sizes that this wallpaper mural comes in, or if you want to see more photos of it, I'm going to add a link to my website below. And if you're planning a wallpaper project, you're going to want to join my newsletter community. It's where I share all of my video tutorials, and I'll even let you know when this wallpaper mural comes on sale. So just visit aboutmurals.ca/newsletter. Thanks for watching.